Hello, and hello, and this is part 157 of the Coding a Game Engine live stream, part 84 of the GUI, still doing window abstraction. So, and let's have a look. Oh, no, why is shut down? Why is shut down? Actually, did the computer? I think the computer rebooted yesterday, and obviously I haven't opened it since. Okay, so record selected file, that's fine. And I've got some food here. I've got a sandwich. I made this a couple of days ago actually when I went to the cinema and had one left, so took it out the fridge. Cheese sandwich with cucumber. Ooh, Tofu said it's up and they donated $2 Canadian. Thank you very much, really appreciate it. That's the biggest donation that we've had on the live streams. Thank you very, very much. KB Boy says hello, 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 hello. How is everyone doing? I know something that came from one of your videos and I got a notification telling me you're live, so I just came to say hello. Hello, Tofu. Much appreciated. What video did you come from? Out of curiosity, I'm gonna guess emulator video. KV says hello, bro. Hello, hello to you as well, KV. Oh, if you check your Discord server in general, you'll see a message from Tofu. I posted the link there. Okay, cool. I'll have a look in a bit. Oh, no. Wow. A meeting. The general. Okay. So I've used. Ooh, what the hell's happening there? Well, linked to some really old posts and I was trying to find it. Why not? Oh, that's just that. That's the EX level, ain't super old. Have you managed to solve the problem, Tofu? The Tofu, yeah, Tofu? Sniper Elite VR graphics. I'll have a look at that after. Where are you from? UK. Yeah, I just didn't have the CSW at the time, or whatever it's called, but thanks for the vid. Okay, cool. You got a CFW now? Live coding gives you different chill. Sure, it does about watching or doing it. Nifesh says hi. Hello, Nifesh. I'm just gonna message her, let him know if he hasn't already seen, if he's available as well, that we're online. What I'm gonna do is just go and wash my hands, and then we'll start coding. Okay, so let's open this up, and as far as I'm aware, we had got it working. We was all good. We was gonna start the next part of the window abstraction, which was the styling. So if you're on her, I forgot to message you to let you know how I fixed that issue. Okay, so so either styling, setting and getting Windows Store, aka close button, see original create method for. Okay, so that's fine. What we have here, if we look at window, we have this finger which we never used. That's the way it does it in Smart. I've never liked that method. I've never liked the method of bit masks. I mean, I can get my head around it now. I used to struggle a bit before, but I still think there's a better way of doing it. To be fair, just have methods to toggle. Because at the end of the day, these are just individual features. It's like if you want a title bar, yes or no. Do you want to build this resize? Yes or no. Do you want the close feature? Yes or no. Do you want full screen? Yes or no. That's all it is. So because also with window, if I go to SFML window, go definitions, I want to go to the regular window. We can set the style. Are we allowed to set the style again after the create method? I mean, I don't think we are we? No. So it's, so what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna have basically an enum for this. Not an enum, a struct. Window public. I've already got one out. That's pretty cool. Let's get the same method of commenting stuff over here. Moji says on YouTube logo. Okay, hello Moji. Okay, so what we're gonna say is style of window struct, and each one of these is going to be some sort of a boolean, I guess. So we'll say bool. Actually, we'll say bool title bar. Bool resize. Emoji says hello Emoji. You sound like I'm saying emoji, maybe that's what you was going for. Close. Okay, so by default we'll have this as true. Can we not? We should be able to do that. By default we'll have this as false. No resize equals true equals false. Okay, so what we have now is when we do, can either do it on window or set up. I mean, if we go to Windowscpp, what's setup looking like? I mean, we could do it on setup. Really, that's where it needs to be set per se. Yeah, we'll fix one line in a second. We're doing on setup. We'll say that we're gonna have a const style and some style, copy, paste, Have you learned C and C++ too? Yes, I have. Obviously, you can see I'm doing C++ here. I've actually got a tutorial series that I'm doing right now that's underway for C, and there'll be a new video coming later today. I recorded 3 videos earlier today as well, and that was actually, I learned C before C++. So it's like a trip down memory lane, plus a lot extra. Yeah, we definitely need a one in the default one as well. Actually, in the default one, we'll just have like default styling. Okay, I guess we'll just leave it at that. That's what we'll do, and we'll say, okay, so that's actually C++. Ooh, what's C++? Call it styling on for now. So we're gonna create a few variables. I want to say style enum, and I'm gonna call this title bar equals I never would usually use this, but the ternary operator, why not? Okay, so ternary operator, let's have a look. So it's the condition, okay, so condition. So if the style dot title bar, if that equals style enum title bar, then we'll, I think it was question mark, then we'll say it equals style enum. No, if it equals true, sorry. So I should just be able to do that, but I'd rather do it like that. If it equals true, then style enum title bar I think that's pretty solid. Okay, we're looking good. So now let's do the same for all the others. So title bar, resize, close, full screen, resize, close, full screen, and we'll say resize, close, full screen. Okay, so at this point we should just be able to OR all these together. That's the plan. Title bar, or resize, or close, or full screen. Yeah, I'm gonna abstract that out a bit. I'll put this into a private method right here. Method before stuff like this. Void, no. Style enum. And oh, technically does not exist. Okay, so what we're gonna do is grab all of this. Won't need the window stuff, but it's just easy if I do this, and I'll just literally say return style enum like that. So now if I, instead of doing this, I just say calculate style, and this is gonna be style. Should be able to just do this for all of them now. Obviously we'll test it momentarily. You know we're gonna get issues in window. I don't even want to change anything, so I'll just leave it as is. I'll give this a run, see how this goes. I feel like once we've done this, we should be done. Obviously, we'll do the getter, but we should be done for window abstraction. Game HP and game CPP abstraction. I wasn't 100% sure what I meant by that. I think I just meant anything that's not, you know, finger related, sonar related, remove. This, I've got an idea how to abstract even that. Let's go to events, not events, game. I think we could abstract it out. That's the last remaining reference to SF in game. And I think we can even abstract that bad boy out. I think the reality is, I've got an idea. I want to get this working first. The star stuff. Once that's working, then we'll abstract that out. So by default, you should have set it to no resize. So what was the default? It should have been title bar and close. The reality is, if I was to do something like false for this, run that, the title bar should not appear now. Was that was the close depending on the title bar? I'm imagining just the title. We'll see. Get some warning. Oh my god, I forgot. I've got a fixed warning as I go along. I mean, so I don't know. Really, if I go to here, I'll change this to false. That should not have a close button now. Let's see if I change that to true, for example. Okay, so what we're gonna say now. So let's fix this warning, and I know how to fix it. We'll just create a style enum style equals literally this. What that's moaning for. Not 100% sure yet. So let's try doing a clean solution and build it. So this will come across any warnings we have, and we'll see. What we got? The only difference before it was with brackets. Nothing to do with me, nothing to do with me, nothing to do with me. So far it's only this one little extra warning. Oh. An error as well. So let's just wait for this to complete, then I'll have a look at what this is moaning about. I don't get it, per se. Not mine, not mine. Ignore those ones. For some reason it does not mind that. working all pretty good so far. No warning as a result of our code as well. This all goes well, and then that's that done. Then it's just that. Obviously, this I'm still considering that as part of actually window obstruction. Oh, I will. Then we'll be doing this, fixing the enum GUI stuff, and then finishing GUI. Then some sort of maintenance of code. Then some pointer stuff. Something else I'm gonna do. Yep, there it is. Okay, so that works. Obviously no way to close it, which was obviously expected. So we're going to look at abstracting out this. So my idea to abstract this out is if we remove this entirely, and for events, if we have, so that's the constructor. Let's say we have two constructors. And this one will not have any parameters, and I'm going to create the implementation. Boom, there we go. And what we're going to say is sf we'll say underscore event equals event, and we won't even do that. We'll that's calm. Say update. So the idea is we should be able to remove this now, get rid of this in a second, and we should ever only have instant. So okay, we've got some more comments. C is quite easy compared to C++. Corvette, hop in the mouth for a jet. I'm going to do some banny. Remember last time I used Visual Studio after trying Sea Lion. Okay, so that seems all good. What was that meant to be doing for those events? That's all solved. So I want to in-game get rid of this now, and in game I want to get rid of this. I don't even see why we got box 2D in there. B2G, I'll draw. Okay, so see running that. Okay, so we're looking good. Be wrapping up very soon as well, so let me start winding down. 85 window game nope. That's that done, and one last thing, gonna be finishing this. Okay, commit to master. It's a pain getting used to CMake though. You are from Bromeria, bro. Near, bro. Just outside. And maybe Manilo. Just a quick question. Why are you not holding a unique pointer to the debug class in the game data struct? Let me have a look. Why are you not holding a unique pointer? What benefit would that bring me to do that? I'll be wrapping up soon. Yeah, obviously, as usual, if you have questions, there'll be a link in the description. Hit the Discord page, and if you want to discuss stuff, just join in there. Best way. That's that done. Thank you for watching. Had a very productive day today, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye. You won't have to delete in the destructor. I'm going to rearrange some of the pointer stuff anyway. I'm going to be looking to small pointers and definitely need to do some memory management. That's coming. It's on the to-do list. It's coming in the project. So yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks everyone for your comments. Thanks Goody Cheeseburgers for the suggestions. Hope to see you in the future live streams as well. Like I say, as usual, any questions, any suggestions, if you just want to chat and just share stuff, feel free to hit us on the Discord group, and that's in the description.